Yo, what's good, crypto? I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to check out LUNC Classic, and we're also going to look at another crypto project which is currently in pre-sale, which I think will offer more returns than LUNC Classic. So let's see what's going on. If you're new here, do slap that subscribe button, as I'm your host, jacobcrypobury, and we will navigate through this crypto bear market together. So crypto bubbles today, we're looking quite good over the last week. Celsius up, Shiba up, Anchor also up, we've got Hex up too. Looking at today, however, we have got a lot of bright red in the market as we do get a bit of rejection at those resistance levels following all of the euphoria and greed that we have recently seen in the crypto market. So hopefully it's just a short-term pullback and nothing too major. So Terra LUNC Classic, I mean, in my opinion, I think this project needs a lot more staking, it needs more utility, there needs to be a lot more volume come through. Of course, the majority of the volume is through Binance right now. Until Binance starts supporting transaction burning, I can't feel too bullish about the price. I think we're just sort of going to slump around this area here. Nothing much else is going to happen, even over the next few years. I mean, we're sitting at $600 million market cap, but without the burning of supply, the price really is not going to move that much more. We've just got too much in supply right now. You just got to admit that it's a problem. It's not something good. You can see as well, every time we're getting these short spikes of price, we're in green, we go straight back to red. So there's so much volatility. We see a huge pump and then it's always followed by another dump here. So for LUNC Classic, I am still a bit skeptical. I think it's not the best project if you want some big returns. Sure, you might see like maybe a 2 or 3x in the future, but it's nothing crazy. If you did also see this tweet here on Twitter from LUNC Classic HQ, it is not real. It's false information, miscommunication, information failure, whatever you want to call it. They're basically just doing this for like fake followers, or they're just trying to bait people into the content. So Binance CZ guy, this CEO, he did not actually say that the Binance will charge a fee and that they're going to support the LUNC Classic burning. It's just a video, and if you watch the video, it doesn't say anything to do, or he does not even mention that he's going to implement the burning. So let's crack on with a bit of analysis. What's going on? We can see Bitcoin is sort of just getting a nice bounce. I'm not too worried or afraid of what I see here in the markets. 24.3k Bitcoin is still fantastic. I do believe this was the bottom here at that 17.7k level, where we had the black swan event known as the Terra LUNC, Voyager, and Celsius FUD. So we're still in this accumulation sideways range. I would like to see Bitcoin retest this 20-day moving average, which could be around the $26,000 to $27,000 price level. LUNC Classic for today, I mean, again, it's just another daily red candle. We get rejected on the 20-day moving average, which is this blue line here on our Bollinger Bands, which is sitting in the middle. We did get a little touchdown, shall I say, at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, which does usually say, okay, it's time to go long. But in my opinion, we're not really getting enough price catalyst, and not enough is occurring that's exciting for Terra LUNC Classic recently. I mean, the other day, the whole market pumped, but Terra LUNC Classic was just rather still. You see, we've got this big pump up here to 0.00011, again followed by another dump. So we could not achieve this resistance of 0.000117. We got the rejection. Now we're seeing the downtrend as a result. So in my opinion, we're still going to chop around these levels. We might even come down to this support region down here at like 0.00009, come back up, come back down, come back up. It could just be a lot of sideways trading for a while. Again, I'm not feeling excited about LUNC Classic, and I don't know what it's going to do in the future, but right now it just needs more burning, more volume, more staking, and it needs to be deployed across more chains and other ecosystems, because it's just stagnant. Usually it does mean there's going to be a big move, decisive move to the upside or downside, but for now, let's see what's going to happen. So in my opinion, Terra Classic could be a good investment for the future. Not financial advice, but I don't think it's going to offer like the big 10 to 100x returns, which is why we're going to look at another project right now known as Tamadoge, which is a really, really cool play to earn crypto project. It's got elements of the NFTs, metaverse, and also virtual reality will also be tied into this. Things I really like, it's an ERC20 network token, deflationary. I like the Tamanomics or the tokenomics because it's only a 2 billion circulating supply. They've got some massive partnerships already in the pipeline, as well as centralized exchange launches. Actually, following the pre-sale, they're going to be launching on the LBank centralized exchange. So I could imagine them also going on the MEXC, KuCoin, Huobi, and other sort of tier 2, tier 3 exchanges. So you get Tamadoge pets. These are little guys that have, little furry friends that you can sort of nurture, look after. You climb up the Tamadoge leaderboards. I do think it's really nice. The roadmap is also pretty bullish as well, you know, going through to year 2023, more centralized exchanges, more influencer marketing, more big partnerships with largely established metaverse brands. So this is everything we want to see really for a play to earn crypto, especially in the sort of meme coin environment. So I do see this as one that will challenge the top 10 cryptos, as well as things like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin as well. We can see in 2 weeks they already sold out of a $2 million beta sale, which is absolutely crazy. And here it is at the moment, almost $4 million raised. We're going to give it a quick refresh. $3.9 million. We're nearly at the next tranche where, you know, in each increment the price of Tama is going up, but there is still 56 million Tama remaining. So let's see what's going to happen with this project. I will leave you the links down below. Things I really like I say, is the Tamadoge Tamanomics. Beautiful distribution, really nice low supply, which I think, you know, in my opinion, this could hit $1, whereas Luna Classic will probably never ever hit $1, and that's the sheer truth. So I do like to explore the high risk high reward projects. That's why I'm talking about Tamadoge today, because if you're looking at Luna Classic, then clearly you like high risk and high reward, so there must be a bit of correlation between your sort of investment mindset. So very nice project, guys. Check out Tamadoge, go have a look at the pre-sale, look at the white paper, do your own research. I will leave you all the links down below. You know, maybe you're getting a bit bored of Luna Classic, so maybe you want to sort of explore a different venture as well. One where a new community is going to form. We could see 44.5k followers here. Really big stuff for the Tamadoge army. I am excited to see what's going to happen. Let's wait and see. I think this pre-sale goes through to the later half or the later end of 2022, looking at Q4, and I believe the hard cap is $19 million, but already, I mean, the progress has been exponentially impressive. The growth is rapid, and clearly, you know, they're getting traction and hype from somewhere. So lots of marketing, lots of PR, lots of big exposure. Very excited to see what's going to happen here for this token. You can buy Tamadoge today with Ethereum, USDT, or you can simply use some fiat currencies by connecting your MetaMask or your Trust wallet. Make sure you're connected to the Ethereum mainnet because it is an ERC20 network token. Guys, if you have any questions around Luna Classic, if you have any questions around Tamadoge, the comment section down below is the place to do so. Also, make sure you get yourself into my Discord. We've got loads of cool charts and stuff, crypto insights, it's all free. Come say hello in the Telegram channels too. As I say, lots of people in here, over 300. It's a little community that we're forming through this crypto bear market. So if you have anything you want to ask about, advice, crypto related, or just anything, even in general, it could be completely outside of crypto, you know, anything you want. I'm your friend. I'm here to stay and help you and, you know, sort of hold your hand through the crypto bear market. So in my opinion, Terra Luna Classic 0, Tamadoge is going to get a big one up on Luna Classic here. Big thumbs up, as I don't really see any red flags here, but in my opinion, Luna Classic, not enough burning, not enough organic searches, the hype is sort of dying, and to be honest, I can't ever say this is a good thing when you see a supply like that. Anyways, see you soon, guys. Bye for now. Slap that subscribe button, like and comment. See you soon.